Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. If you use a Chase Bank debit card, this video is going to be very useful for you. Today, we will show you the step-by-step online method to change the design of your Chase Bank debit card. Your Chase debit card is more than just a payment tool. It's a reflection of your personal style. Chase Bank offers customers the option to customize their debit card designs, making it easy to add a personal touch. Whether you want a sleek, modern design or something unique that stands out, Chase provides several design options to choose from. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to change your Chase debit card design online, ensuring accuracy and convenience. Let's get started. To understand this entire process, we have referred to an article titled "How to Change Chase Debit Card Design Online. Unlock New Styles." In this article, when you scroll down, you'll find detailed information about the types of debit cards issued by Chase Bank. Further down, it explains which designs are available for Chase debit cards and even lists the names of some designs. Scrolling down further, you'll see our main subheading, "How to Change the Chase Debit Card Design Online." This section explains the complete process with screenshots to make it easier to follow. It mentions that you need to first visit the Disney Rewards website, and a link is provided for it. After visiting this website, you will see an option called Perks and Benefits. When you hover your mouse cursor over it, a drop-down menu will appear. At the bottom of this menu, you'll find the option Disney Visa Card Designs. Click on it. After that, you will see several debit card designs. You can choose the design you like. Then you'll see a button that says Change Card Designs. Click on it and it will take you to the official Chase Bank website. Here, you need to enter your username and password and click on Sign In. After that, the next steps will follow. Let's review this process once. You'll see Disney Rewards mentioned here, and a link to the website is provided. Click on it. As you can see, the Disney Rewards website opens up. When you hover your cursor over Perks and Benefits, a drop-down menu appears. Here, we click on Disney Visa Card Designs. Clicking on it opens another page showing various debit card designs. To change the design, click on Change Card Designs, and this will redirect you to the official Chase Bank website. You'll need to sign in by entering your username and password. Unfortunately, we don't have login credentials right now, or we would have shown you the next step. Let's go back to the same website and see what steps come next. Once you sign in, the first thing you need to do is select the fonts and layout for your card, as the beauty of the design depends on these elements. After that, you'll need to enter your personal information, including your name, zip code, and bank details, and then submit your request. You'll have to wait for delivery, as your new debit card will arrive within 5 to 7 business days. Additionally, if you want to design your own debit card and wish to receive a card with that specific design, there is also a method provided for that. A contact number is given where you can call for more information. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your Chase Bank debit card design online. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Cabbage Financial Solutions for more tips related to lending and banking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.